Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Izzuan bin Osman. My matric number is CN190089. Today I will present about 4 type of DC machine and the application. The first one is permanent magnet motor. Permanent magnet motor use a magnet to supply field flux. Permanent magnet motor DC has excellent starting torque capability with good speed regulation. A disadvantage of permanent magnet DC motor is they are limited to the amount of load they can drive. This motor can be found on low horsepower application. Another disadvantage is that torque is usually limited to 150% of rate torque to prevent demagnetization of the permanent magnet. Next, I will tell you about type of permanent magnet material. There are 3 type of material that used in permanent magnet motor. First one is alnios. Alnios has a low Coriolis magnetized intensity and high residual flux density, and it is used where low current and high voltage is required. Second is ferrite. They are used in cost sensitive applications such as air conditioner, air compressor and refrigerator. Third is rare earth. Rare earth magnets are made of samarium cobalt and neodymium iron bond. They have a high residual flux and high coefficient magnet intensity. The rare earth magnets are exempted from the magnetized problem due to armature reaction. It is an expensive material. Next is the application of the permanent magnet DC motor. First is the motor are used in various applications, range from fraction of several horsepower. They are developed to up about 200 kilowatt for use in various industry. The following applications are given below. The PMDC motor are mainly used in automobile to operate windshield wiper and washer, to raise the lower window to drive blower for heater and air conditioner. For example, they are also used in computer driver. This type of motor are also used in toy industry. The PMDC motor are used in electric toothbrush, portable vacuum cleaner and food mixer. It is also used in portable electric tools such as drilling machine, heading trim and so on. Okay, next I will present about series motor. In a series motor DC, the field is connected in series with the armature. The field is wound with a few turns of large wire because it is carry the full armature current. A characteristic of series motor is the motor develop a large amount of starting torque. However, speed varies widely between no load and full load. Some motor cannot be used where a constant speed is required under varying load. Next, I will tell about application of DC motor. DC series motor are used where high starting torque required. These motors are only used where the variation of speed is possible. Series motors are not suitable for constant speed application. Next, DC motor is used in a vacuum cleaner, traction system, sewing machine, crane, and air compressor. Okay. The third type of DC motor is shunt motor. It has two types, spread excited and common source. In a shunt motor, the field is connected in parallel with the armature winding. The shunt connected motor offers good speed regulation. The field winding can be spreadly excited or connected to the same source as the armature. The application of shunt motor is first lathe machine. Second is centrifugal pump, fans, lathe, weaving machine, spinning machine, blower, and conveyor. And the lastly is compound motor. Compound DC motor is a compound of both series and shunt motor. It consists of series field coil, which is connected in series with the armature field winding, and a shunt field coil winding, which is connected in parallel with the armature field winding. Presence of both the field winding, series winding, and shunt field winding gives the motor name of compound DC motor. The type of compound motor. There are two types of DC compound motor depending upon the connection of shunt field winding with armature winding and series winding. Those are two types of compound motor. First is long shunt, second is short shunt. In the case of long shunt compound DC motor, the shunt field winding is connected in parallel with both armature coil winding and the series field winding. On the other hand, in the case of short shunt compound DC motor, a shunt resistor is only in parallel with the armature field coil. Figure 2 is represent the schematic comparison of both types. A for long shunt, B for short shunt. Next is the application of the DC compound motor. Due to the ability of compound motor to provide high starting torque and also speed regulation and control, it has many applications involve different areas. Few of the applications involve the use of compound DC motor are in elevator, in steel rolling mill, in heavy planer, in printing press machine, and in cutting machine. That's all from me. Thank you.